Hello everyone, I hope we're all doing really well. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to speed up your manifestation. But before we get into it, you really don't want to miss any section of the video as I will be discussing all things related to the law of assumption. So let's begin the video. The first thing that you need to do is identify exactly what it is that you want to manifest. We need to be clear about this. So I have picked that I want to manifest 100,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. That's it. Straightforward enough to identify the thing that you want. Step number 2. We are recognizing that it is already ours right now. As of today, I do not have 1,200 subscribers. I have 100,000 subscribers in my 3D reality right now. It's done. I'm so pumped about it. Thank you. I feel successful. I feel like I'm impacting so many people's lives, and I'm just so excited for the future. And all of that comes out of me naturally because I know that right now, in this current moment, I have 100,000 subscribers. The thing is that I can't elaborate on this topic because there is nothing to overcomplicate. It really is just that simple. It is already done. I get so many comments being like, I know that it's already done, but I keep going back to the old story. That's exactly when you should say, I'm cutting the old story. It is already done. That's it. Like I said in all of my videos, there are no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Do you want this to be your reality or not? Or do you want to play the victim? Do you want to keep doing the same thing that you've been doing over and over and over again? We're ignoring everything that doesn't serve us, and we're literally sitting here right in this moment and internalizing our manifestation. Being here right now, I'm really just using my brain here. Me, right now, what is the date? It is the 22nd of April, 7:58 p.m. Right in this moment, I'm internalizing. I have 100,000 subscribers. What does this mean? My channel has 100,000 people that are subscribed to it. This is in my reality right now. The air that I am touching right now, the mic that I'm talking into right now, all of this space, everything that I am, everything that I'm feeling this current moment in time, in this 3D reality, I have 100,000 subscribers. As real as this phone in my hand is as real as me having 100,000 subscribers. There should be nothing else to think about after that point. You don't need to force yourself to feel anything or think anything. And whatever it is after that fact that you do think or feel doesn't really matter. No matter if it's a foil manifestation or against your manifestation, it really does not matter because you already know that you have this thing in your reality right now. It depends on my mood. It depends where I am during the day. It depends on a factor of different things. Sometimes I feel really excited and over the moon that I have 100,000 subscribers because, I have a girlfriend in my current reality right now. Sometimes I think about it and I'm like, I'm really grateful that I have her in my life. Sometimes I think about it as well. Yeah, it's a natural part of my life. It just depends on your mood. This should be feeling natural. You shouldn't be forcing anything. In other instances, I'm like, okay, what's next? Where are we going from here? What am I manifesting next? 500,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers. Okay, let's go. Been there, done that. I'm verified on YouTube. We're celebrating and moving on to bigger and better, but this will come naturally to you when you have truly internalized and felt the fact that you have manifested what you desired. Now, number 3, we are finding the techniques that remind ourselves that it is already done. These techniques need to be something that is easy for you to do. It doesn't feel like you're forcing anything. So whether you are a busy mom and you literally have no time in your schedule, and you only have 17 seconds in the morning to really have a pure positive thought about this, and that's it, and move on throughout your day, that is more than enough. If you are someone to get so excited about your manifestation, and you want to constantly be on that manifestation's case, that is also okay. There is no right way to do anything. It's only something that's right for you to do in this current moment, and it can change from day to day. Personally, I'm going to get into this as we go further along into the video, but if I want to speed up my manifestation, I'm going to be visualizing and affirming and scripting as much as I possibly can if I am in a happy and good mood. So if I have the headspace for it, and I know that it is already done, and I'm excited to keep manifesting, I do believe that manifesting more and reminding yourself more of it will speed up your manifestation. However, if you are bogged down having a bad day or thinking, where is it? And your thoughts about this manifestation are negative, and you are experiencing a lot of resistance, which can be a plethora of things such as doubts, saying, hurry up, where is it? Or just having a bad day, I would suggest following my happiness or following my ease. This means, right now, what do I feel like doing? Right now, I really want to keep talking with you guys. Finish this video off. edit this video and upload it either tonight or tomorrow morning. Then play games or watch YouTube shorts, because that is what is raising my mood and putting me in a happy state. Knowing that it is already done. If it is already done, wouldn't I be happy now? The purpose of your life and the purpose of why we are manifesting anything is to be happy. So wouldn't it make sense for me to be happy right now? Even though it might not necessarily make any sense. Like I played football 5 days this week, and it lifted my mood so much. It's not what makes sense to other people or what makes sense in theory. It's about you listening to your internal guidance right now. What that does is it clears up any resistance that you have because you are forgetting everything that you are manifesting. And you're just living life in this present moment, and your mind is getting clear because you are in the right now moment, enjoying it. Your manifestations are going to come much quicker because you have released that resistance. What is the method of manifesting anything instantly? It is just releasing resistance. The only thing that is holding you apart from your manifestation, because any manifestation can be instant, is resistance. So what do we do to release resistance? We ease into it, accept where we are, and follow what makes us feel good on a moment-to-moment basis. I'd also suggest for you to pick a time of the day, either morning or nighttime or anywhere in between, to just sit there and recognize. This is where the 17-second manifestation technique comes in. You can literally just take 17 seconds of pure positive thought to know and recognize that it is done right now. If you do that and you follow your happiness moment to moment, the next day your manifestation or signs of your manifestation is going to come to you in a crazy fast way. Next, the 6th step is to follow your intuition. Follow your inspired action. But the thing is that it doesn't feel like inspired action. It feels like the next logical, natural step. If you don't feel like there is a burning desire inside of you to do something, then that is not inspired action, and you should just do nothing. Like Neville Goddard says, if the action literally feels like it's going to hurt to not do it. Like when I started growing my subscribers, and you guys have been telling me that your life has been changing because of this, laying down in bed and doing nothing all day would have just made no sense to me. It would have hurt, it would have been torture, as opposed to setting up my camera, doing my hair and makeup, writing a script, doing all of this work. But it wasn't work, it was literally the next natural step for me, and all of this action that I'm doing doesn't feel like action at all. So if it doesn't feel like that, then don't do anything at all. You are more powerful than you think, so listen to your internal guidance system moment to moment. With that being said, you guys, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that it needed. Here are some few quotes before I end the video. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and observe the route that your attention follows. Next is do not waste one moment in regret, for to think feelingly of the mistakes of the past is to reinfect yourself. And the last one I want to tell is the difference between feeling yourself in action, here and now, and visualizing yourself in action, as though you were on a motion picture screen, is the difference between success and failure. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys some essential information about this, and hope you guys will manifest more efficiently now and feel grateful about it. I know that you loved it. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone. Happy manifesting.